Hey guys, this is Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, for all my new subscribers, I do appreciate you, and for my oldies but goodies, welcome back. Anyway, guys, so I'm in the midst of installing this crochet hair. Yes, I am actually installing the Freetress Boho Kinky Junior. You guys, if you have never heard of this hair before and you like the naturally kinky curly look, you want to get your hands on a couple packs of this hair. I actually used 4 packs for this look. If you want bigger styles, of course you can use 5, or if you don't want it as big, you can use 3 or 3 plus. All right, so what I want to highlight in today's video is how to get the hair to look as if it is growing out of your scalp, how to get it to look natural looking, how to get it to not look detectable as a crochet style. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you how you do your regular install. So you insert your tool, attach the hair to the loop, then you pull both pieces of hair in and you twist and loop it. That is how you do your regular install. Yes. However, I want to also highlight the difference between how you do the regular install and how you would do it for the invisible look. All right, so I'm attaching the hair to the loop, pulling it through, and I'm pulling only one piece of the hair through the loop and doing it multiple times just to secure it. Then I am, pulling both sides of the hair taut in order to tighten it. But as an additional step, in order to make sure that the hair doesn't slip, I pinch a ever so tiny piece of hair from each piece of the hair, one from one side, one from the other, and I just make 2 knots, and that will cause your hair to stay in place, not movable, not shakeable, not slippable at all. So again, attaching the hair to the hook, closing the latch hook, pulling it through. And the regular way to do it is to pull both pieces of hair, but not in this case. You're gonna pull only one piece through the loop, and then you're going to, twist it multiple times just to make sure it is nice and secure. Then you tighten, and then I'm going to do that pinching process where I actually pinch off a tiny piece of the hair from both sides, one from the hair at the top of the braid and one from the hair at the bottom of the braid, and then I knot it twice. And once you master that, what you're going to do is just repeat the process along the entire length of the braid that you're trying to create the invisible part or the knotless part on. So yeah, again, attach the hair, close the latch, pull it through. Then once you hold the loop of the hair in place, you pull only one piece of the crochet hair through the loop and twist it a couple times. Then you tighten, and again we're gonna do that pinch off process. All right, so by leaving one part of the hair above the braid, once you flip that one part over the braid, then that is where you will get the illusion like the hair is growing out of your own scalp. So that's really essentially the trick with achieving this particular technique or this particular look. And I'm going to be actually showing you guys it from a little closer angle how it's achieved. So just pay keen attention, and you guys will eventually get it. Just all you have to do is make a braid. I don't know if you have a mannequin head, you could just make one braid on the mannequin head and practice on that one braid. or you can do it in your own head. You can do it in your own head, and even though it's going to be a little bit more challenging, compared to doing it on somebody else's or on a mannequin's head, yeah, the practice over time, you definitely will master it, and you'll be more comfortable wearing a crochet style. A lot of people don't like the crochet style because they don't like the whole knots exposed and the fact that it just looks a mess if if you have the parting with all of those bumps or knots showing. So once you master this, you are well underway to enjoying and being confident in your crochet braid style. And I feel like I've shown this technique many times, but I'll just keep continue showing it because I know we have new subbies, and probably they haven't seen it before. So for that reason, I'm going to always be showcasing this. This is what I love, and I just want everybody to learn it and start to utilize this method. All right. So I'm actually doing the very last piece of hair over the opposite side of the part. So the same thing that you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So I completed one row of cornrow, then I am moving on to the other row of cornrow that I did off camera, but I'm just doing my last piece of hair. So we're pretty much at the finish line. You guys are gonna see the difference. You're actually gonna see what I was explaining in regards to the hair giving the illusion like it's actually growing from your own scalp. Yes, those hairs are popping out of your very own follicles. Can't tell you nothing. Okay, yeah, all right. So that is it, you guys. That's what the part is looking like. Yeah. And of course, you can tease it depending on, the look that you're going for. You can actually use a teasing comb or a regular comb to just tease the area where the part is, and that will help to give it a more natural look. So this is the finished look, you guys. Yeah, it is a T1B27. Yeah, that's the color of the hair. And it's absolutely one of my favorite crochet hair if I'm going for that natural kinky look. Super light, super duper natural. The hair is soft, it does not tangle, and you cannot lose when you use this hair. You would think I'm getting paid for promoting it, but I'm not. I just love this hair, guys. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not yet a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on any of the great videos that we have lined up for you guys. All right, until next time, take care, be blessed, and be safe. Peace.